In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy chart formatting in PowerPoint using the Format Painter tool. This quick trick helps you apply the same beautiful design from one chart to another, saving time and keeping your presentation consistent. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and navigate to the presentation you're working on. Find the chart whose design you want to copy and click on it to select it. You'll see a box with small handles appear around the chart. That means it's selected and ready to go. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of your screen. In the clipboard group on the left, look for the Format Painter. It's the little paintbrush icon. If you want to apply the formatting to just one chart, click Format Painter once. If you want to use it on multiple charts, double-click it. Now, move to the chart you want to apply the style to and simply click on it. Just like that, PowerPoint copies all the formatting, colors, fonts, styles instantly. The Format Painter is a simple but powerful tool that helps make your slides look consistent, professional, and polished without the extra effort. And that's it. You've just learned how to copy chart formatting in PowerPoint using the Format Painter, a quick, efficient way to level up your presentation design.